That is fast, isn't it? Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be doing the very first part of turning our 2021 Ford Bronco, the TRX4, put out by Traxxas. We're going to do the first video of turning it into like a monster truck, like a mud truck. This is what we'll be putting in today. We got the, is it Velian? I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It's the VXL 3S system. This is basically what's in all of Traxxas's VXL series RCs. And we have the aluminum motor mount for this bad boy right here. And in the future, we'll be putting some stuff in here. Here's the high torque servo. We've got some hexes. These are metal. We've got some new axles. This is so that, you know, they can handle all the power we're putting in there. This is for the front. The rear hasn't come in yet. These are differential gears, so it can handle all that power. And here's the long arm lift kit. So we'll be putting all this stuff onto the Bronco in the future. 3500 kV motor. That sure is pretty, isn't it? The ESC. First thing we're going to do is take out that screw, and that screw to remove the motor. Oh, don't lose anything. Unhook the wires out of that. Now we're going to undo the ESC. Plug that. This is for the light system. Plug all that. We have to unplug all this from the receiver now. Gonna undo these two screws just so that's easier to get underneath all this. That lifts up like that, right? Yeah. Oh. Now we can pull all this out from that side. And you cut that zip tie right there. There's actually a little loop right there just for the zip tie to hold those wires. Take out this part of the receiver box. This ESC doesn't fit exactly where the old one came out of, so we're going to have to drill new holes for it. And I'm going to drill both holes right down inside of there. Get it about where I want it. I'm going to stick something down there and make some scratches so I can see about where I want the holes to be. Or we're going to use a 3/32 drill bit. See if that will leave a little bit of a mark. Yeah, I can see exactly where it is. So let's drill a hole right there. Get that about lined up to where I want it to be. And move the wires out of the way. Make sure this body goes on over it. Yep. And twist that. It's going to go over there. Plugs into that. Oh. Run that through there. Go ahead and plug the motor up. But we're not going to install it just yet. We're going to make sure I get everything right with the lights and the ESC and everything before I start putting everything all together. Alright, so we're going to test it, make sure everything actually works. So I've already turned it on and calibrated everything, but yeah, you can hear it spinning and everything works. Also, we're going to lose some functionality with the lights. This is the light sensor right here that's supposed to hook into the wires, but it does not work with the brushless system, so you will not have your full function of your lights with the brushless setup. Now we're going to install the aluminum motor mount plate. Install the motor mount. It's easy. We're going to use screws that come with it. A little bit of Loctite. Since we swapped out the stock 11-tooth pinion for the 10-tooth pinion, we have got to change where these right here go. We have got them in the hole labeled B right there. And even though that these right here are not labeled, it goes A, B, C, D all the way around. And you just match them up. And it has the stock 45-tooth spur. And there's a chart in the manual that will tell you exactly where to put these at with your spur and pinion combo. it and put it down. Run the wire from the ESC that goes to the receiver through that little bitty ring down there. You loosen these, that screw, that screw, that screw, and that screw. There's another screw right down there. That piece comes up a little bit and allows you to get your plug down past that little hook. Take this little zip tie, and there's actually a little ring down there. You probably can't see it, but the zip tie goes right through it. It allows you to keep your wires nice and neat. And this will plug into there. Because I have a Y splitter, this is for my sound system. Don't forget your battery tray screws. All right, I think it's back together and ready to go. So as you can hear, it's thundering outside. It's raining. I can't get the tail lights to work right now, so I'm gonna see if I can figure that out later. I'm not gonna do it right now. But the headlights, we got headlights at least. And this is in the low gear. Man, I'm gonna stand right here underneath the thing. So that is low gear too, right? It is low gear. Now that's low gear. So now we're going to high gear. Woo! That is fast, isn't it? This thing is so fast. I'll get my umbrella. Oh, it rolls pretty easy because that's, you know, a crawler. That's what it does. It's a Bronco. It's not made to take high-speed turns, so this is hilariously fast. It's got rooster tails going on. Oh, this is water over here. Oh, this might be a bad idea. Let's see what it does. It made that, no problem at all. This is cool. That is so cool. It's like a boat through there, isn't it? You can hear the tires hitting the inside of the fender wells when they're ballooning up. Oh, they'll do a wheelie easily. And the tires don't slip either. You know, they're the crawler tires, so you know, I was hoping to do like burnouts and stuff like that, but as soon as you get on the throttle, it picks that front end up even in the water. So that's pretty cool. Well, what do you think? The little Bronco on 3S brushless power. That thing really moves. I thought the wheels would balloon out more. You know, I said that you could hear the wheels ballooning, hitting the inside of the fenders. I don't think that's what it is. I think what's going on is I just have a bunch of debris around the tires, and that's what you're hearing. I don't know. Maybe, I'm not sure what exactly you're hearing that's rubbing when it's moving, but there's something in there that's rubbing. I don't know what it is. That is really cool. Going through the water is super cool. I cannot wait to get those mud tires on there, but then I gotta wait for it to rain like this. I still gotta put the lift kit on there and everything else. Got a ton of stuff to still do to it. I'm gonna take it out and see if it can crawl with that 3S system or that brushless system, see how it does. I don't know yet. Take it out to the mountain, that'd be fun. But anyways, that's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Like the video if you like it, and I will see you guys later.